I need some milk. You ready? Let's go. Hey you guys, good morning. I wanted to start off the vlog in a more organized way, but I was rushing, so I had to scratch that. We are on our way right now to tour a house. It's Saturday. Just hang out with me today. It's gonna be a regular chill day. So I haven't told you guys this yet, but our lease is coming to an end. We were offered a renewal. I mean, we're comfortable where we are, we're in routine and everything is good, but I just wanted to see like what was out there and just keep my options open. So this place struck my interest, so that's why I'm actually going to look at it, but we'll see. I really like this store. So, and then this would be the office. I love that there's an office downstairs. And then the windows are like huge, bro. All this light. Do not get the background because we don't know who live here, okay?
You can't see the background.
Do you see this? This is gonna be the office room.
Yeah.
I love that. And then the powder. It's right here. You gotta go see. I love the pantry that is here. It's a barn door style for the pantry, and I think that is such a nice feature. I think that's my favorite thing so far. I'm trying to see what the light is giving in here. Light cabinets. Soft clothes, we love that. Love the lights. Trying to see if we can picture ourselves here or, you know, or what, I don't know. Anyways, because it's upstairs, let me quickly go look upstairs. I'll be back. And there's new light. I love all the extra light. Oh.
This one would be
Your room? Yeah.
make a transition.
What? What do you think?
It's nice. It's spacious.
Yeah.
I think it's kind of like a little bit bigger.
It's a little bigger than your room right now. I think so too.
It's that bed in the corner. You know, it's a little bit.
And then the closet. I think the closet is way bigger too. Did you see the closet?
Massive. I went in there. I can't stand in here.
Did you just disappear into the closet?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's bigger. This is way bigger than your other
And then
closet.
there's another space over here. And there's another space over here. Like I can really just build something in the closet and just live in there.
You play too much. Bathroom. Come on. Oh, this is for towels. Yeah, I'm a little confused because I'm not used to this space.
My bathroom for me, and this is my room. Okay.
Okay, guys. So we saw the house. First impressions.
It's spacious. It's smart. Mm-hmm.
It's smart.
Yeah, it's a smart home. It's pretty tough. I like it. My mom is like, nah, I don't know anymore because the door, guys.
So first of all, online the photos showed something like a specific look, which it matches, right? However, they had to make like a subtle change to the interior, like where the garage door is. They had to move the garage door from where it was originally built in. So I feel like it looks funny, okay? Because it was like a nice smooth wall and then a cutout. But where the cutout is, they you had to go through the cutout to get to the garage, but they sealed that off because they wanted to close the access from that part, and then they moved the garage door over. So now, you know, that's the only thing that's like has me. I love the outside. I actually love like the where you walk up to the front door. I love the front door, and I love like it has like some stone vibe on the front. So you know
the whole house just looks good.
We can put like a little chair and have like a little patio moment, because right now we don't have an outside sit down area. So it'd be nice to be able to like put a little chair and, you know, go there and have like some coffee, you know, sit down in the evening time. That's kind of nice. So that's something that I really like. Two things that I like. I love the barn. I think I have more than two things. The barn door by the kitchen. I love that.
Yes.
So the pantry is not just like a door, it's a barn door, which would be like an upgrade from my door right now. And then the fact that the office is downstairs, like you specifically have an office versus how right now my layout, I have 4 bedrooms in my townhouse, and the upstairs, they're all upstairs. So I use one for my office space. This house specifically has an office area once you walk in, and it's downstairs. It's nice and open. The ceilings are taller downstairs. So I love that. So I'll feel like more, you know. And then upstairs is nice and cozy. It is the same height ceilings on the upstairs like our home right now, but I just love how high the ceilings are downstairs, and that the office gives me that vibe. I feel like I'll be in my zone. So that's what I like.
It's tough, but like mom's like the door.
Okay. Well, we'll see, y'all. We'll see. I'm going home now because I'm hungry. I want to go to the gym. I really want to do a workout. It's 10:05. We got to drive home. And are you making breakfast still?
French toast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But guys, Khalil can cook, but he takes 500 years. So I don't know if I can wait on him to make breakfast. I have to go to the gym. But anyways, let's head out. I don't know what we're going to do yet, but yeah, we'll see. We'll figure it out. I don't know. I was just curious. So you guys, we were driving around and I somehow saw some houses that you can do like self-guided tours. So we're gonna go do one right now. I left my bag in there. Oh, I need my purse. So the houses around here look pretty nice. I like this. I like this section. I didn't even know this area existed. And I just did the login and the stuff, so I can do the self-guided tour at this home. So yeah, let's see. Thank you. They gave me a code to do it. This is so weird. Guys, it worked. Oh, Khalil. It smells nice in here. Wow, it has a lake front. It's not even showing up right here, but when you walk around the water view, stop playing. And they have the waterfall island. Weird. Let me, okay. Just let yourself in. I know that's right. Hold on. Guys, I don't even have my tripod. Hold on. I don't have my big tripod. I've never done a self-guided tour. So this is different. Oh, the washer is downstairs?
Yeah.
Oh, guys, guess what? I see all the appliances, like the stove, the microwave, the sink, but there's no washer in it. I would have to call the number. There's no washer in here. Yeah. Do you provide your own washer? We don't got it.
Oh yeah, you should screenshot that as a photo. Too tough. Too cool. Did you see upstairs?
No, let's look. Carpet up here. Oh my goodness. It's all wood. Who's gonna clean this?
I don't know.
Shut up. You get a little lake view, and this is a up and coming community. They're building. There's lots of houses over there. But look at that, guys. You got a lake view right there.
Oh my god. Focus, guys. We have a lake.
Or whatever that is, but it's still water, baby. I like having. Yeah, I think this is the master bedroom. The only thing I don't like is the vintage fans. I hate the fan.
Yeah, I don't know about the fans.
Y'all. Okay, so after breakfast, it turned into a full-on nap. I don't know what that was about, but my body said, lay down and go to sleep. Okay? I guess that's what today is about. Just like listening to my body. I did not know I was so exhausted, y'all. Like, the breakfast was just so good, and then I just felt so tired. We were supposed to do breakfast, get ready for the arcade, but when I call my friend that's going, she was saying she just got done with some errands, so she wasn't gonna be able to go right now, so she would let me know. Child, she never let me know. What time is it? It's like 2 hours later. I slept though. I slept. I feel better. I want to go. I don't know what I want to do right now. I just feel like I want to chill. I'm kind of hungry again. So maybe we can do like some dinner. And then, guys, I started watching this new series. And I want to watch it again. It's like, let me see what it's called. It's this series that I found. They're on a plane and somehow, it doesn't even start on a plane. The guy's at the airport. And then when he's at the airport, they stop him from entering the country. When he came back to his country, like he came back to England, they stopped him at the airport. And then they started stripping this man down. And I'm like, what's going on? What are they looking for? And he's like, I'm a doctor. Why are you guys doing that? And somehow he's getting forced to go back to where he came from, which he was coming from China. And then they all got on a plane, him and some other doctors. And while on the plane, all the doctors just start to die. Like, how do you have so many deaths on a plane? And up to now, we don't know who's doing all the killing. It's just so weird. I was watching it last night and I had to force myself to go to sleep because each episode was so good and it kept making me wonder, like, what's next. So it's called Red Eye UK. So I'm at episode 5, season 1. I want to watch another episode. I'm gonna take me a shower and we're gonna come back, probably do a little face mask. I just feel like my body is saying, chill, girl, chill. I've been on go so much and today my body just caved. Anyways, we're going to Aldi. And guys, do you see the shoulders coming in like, yo, girl? I look pumped. And then look at this. What were you? Stop playing. Huh? Anyways, I'm being serious. We're going to the store. Why do they not have carrots in the vegetable section? This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. We're just gonna go to Walmart. I'm not gonna be stopped. So we're trying to find the soy sauce. Why in the whole aisle it literally says soy sauce? Like, huh? And then they have all the things for I guess Chinese food. Hilly, what were we supposed to get? Oh my god, I forgot already. Oyster sauce.
Oyster.
That's what we need, oyster sauce. But I don't.
Boom boom shrimp sauce.
They don't got no oyster sauce.
Boom boom shrimp sauce.
Boom boom shrimp. Yeah, we need oyster sauce, but
Where they had that oyster sauce?
I feel like everywhere has none.
We got oyster sauce.
It was all the way in the back.
All the way in the back.
One thing's for sure, Walmart gonna have a whole bunch of stuff.
I'm gonna be a good sport and put these up here. Someone can find.
Cause why was I still outside? And see, the sun went down.
Look at the skyline.
Oh, the sky is beautiful. I have to turn the camera. Wow, God is such an artist. Look at that. So beautiful outside. In this version of we have it at home. We have food at home. Chicken lo mein. Okay, taste test. He's tasting it at the same time as me. This is my first time making this. Ready? We gotta get some veggies. Get the chicken. Mm-hmm. 3. Mm-hmm. It's actually good. And the broccoli is crunchy. Mm-hmm. It tastes like Chinese food. Wait.
The noodle.
Mm-hmm.
My cook. He cooked for this. Why not? It's actually really good. We got Chinese at home. Another episode of We Have It at Home.
Okay.
This is actually really good.
I'm gonna go eat. Yeah.
Yeah, I need to destroy this right now.
I'm gonna go eat. This turned out, it was good. For my first attempt, and the noodles actually taste like the actual noodles. So I picked the right one.
This is amazing.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay.
You enjoy this food.
Dinner and my show. Sounds about right. Y'all,